They didn't do a very good job, we'll just say that. Let's watch some work get done. We had a little bit of a setback here.
It was supposed to already be in there. I never thought this would be a factor.
Do we have enough luck, Cameron?
Enough what?
Enough luck?
Luck?
Or have we run out?
Hey everyone, and welcome back to DC MotorWerks for the Victoria's Secret Diablo series. We are back. We have the engine on its custom engine stand, also known as our lift. Because of the way these engines are designed and the studs they have on the back, there's not really a good way to put them on an engine hoist, and especially with how much they weigh, this was really a better option to bolt it from the actual engine mount brackets, and then we can have it at any height we wanted, which Evan was very thankful for, because we have done a lot of work off camera. And it's just that while you're in there, it kind of comes up very deep on this project, is while we had it out, we want to make this as nice as we can, as I've said in earlier episodes, for my friend Mr. Bolian. So we pulled the upper oil pan, which is actually part of the differential. It's all one piece. And because the upper oil pans will leak, and the only way to do it is out of the car. So we did that. We resealed the timing cover. If you come around here, we've got a rebuilt starter on there. We sent it out to get rebuilt. And then around the back, we've got a new rear main seal, pilot bearing, a new clutch, complete total clutch assembly. So flywheel, pressure plate, and the disc. All factory Vallejo parts, of course, for the Lamborghinis. As we've talked about in other videos, we like all factory stuff on these. As we talked about in the last video, we sent the heads off to get machined while they were out. And they are back, freshly cleaned and with a fresh mating surface on the bottom, which looks quite the part. Nice fresh surface on there, just to make sure this one is good for many, many years to come, because as Evan and I found out, these seemed like they had been off somewhat recently, and they didn't do a very good job, we'll just say that. And there was silicone everywhere, and Evan about broke his hand, and he's doing better now, but it was quite a process. So now, as you've seen it come all apart, we're gonna go through this a little quicker, going back together. Grab your favorite drink, snack, and sit tight, and let's watch some work get done.
Yeah, so it's steel sleeves with an aluminum block. So I feel a little bit better about using my tungsten carbide scraper just on the top of the piston sleeves.
Go, mother.
So we have a little bit of a setback. You can see the engine has been set here in the corner with the shell of a car here. And that's because we have this unfortunate incident that the head stud broke on the Diablo here. And we can actually see that some are stretched as well and getting ready to break. So it's kind of a good thing that we caught this, but the bad thing is now I gotta call Mr. Bolian and kind of show him what our newest expenditure is going to be. Hey, buddy.
You rang, sir.
Yeah, we had a little bit of a setback here.
It was supposed to already be in there.
Yeah, so it was getting close. The heads were on, and Evan was torquing away and running down the heads, and there was this.
Go, mother.
Oh no.
Oh yeah.
That was quite a noise.
Yeah.
From it and him.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
So
things were
that was
expressed
this
in
one?
that. Yes.
So this is our O-ring that already set us back massively.
Yes.
And now this, does it exist in a better form?
Thankful, well, factory form, which is what we want for Lambos. We like factory stuff for Lambos.
I agree with that.
But it is a very strange design and really only available from Lamborghini, but they have it.
Okay.
But it's in Italy.
How much is it?
So there's 28 of them.
Do we need them all?
Well, I don't trust any of them at this point. So as you can see, this one's kind of not quite
All right, I
100% in its shape.
got a little Kim Kardashian to it right
Yeah,
there.
you know, it's got the what do they call that curve thing? Anyway, but yeah, we don't trust them because the last thing we want is for you to be driving this and for one to snap while you're driving it. So it's better while you're in there to go ahead and just do them all. But
You're gonna get that tattooed across your forehead.
Yes, yes. But it's about $3,500. Hey, but in the grand scheme of Lambo stuff, right?
A drop in the proverbial bucket.
Well, if you think about it, if you do it now, it saves you the 10 grand of pulling the engine in and out.
They're not a service
more.
item, head studs.
No, they shouldn't be, and it's nice that these engines are built with head studs. It is usually a common upgrade from head bolts for high performance applications. And normally you shouldn't have to do this. They should be reusable.
So why do you think it broke? Was somebody like trying to torque it down to stop the oil leak?
That's possible. This is when I wish cars could talk and tell us what was going on. They could have had the wrong tool. It is a very special tool, or they could have not had the torque spec, or there's a lot of speculation there.
Okay, so how long does it take to get them here?
So normally Italy's like 2 to 3 weeks, but I paid extra
Oh, thanks.
to get them urgent. So that's usually a week.
Okay, now
Customs has been a little iffy lately.
I never thought this would be a factor, but I have committed this car to be at several events in Monterey Car Week, including the Paddock, which is at Black Horse Bandit Golf Course, and Radwood, which it should dominate at Concorso Italiano, like August 15th, 16th. And so that's less than a month from now, and I've got to ship the car out there, unless we're gonna road trip it. And so I need the car like done and ready to go on a truck in like 2 weeks.
It takes that long.
It's been over 2 months.
When were you gonna tell me this?
It was, how was it, you kept saying, oh, it needed one other week, another week, another week. And I'm like, all right, I mean, we had a lot of other weeks to do.
Good, cheap, or fast? You got to pick two. And I know one of those you're gonna pick, so I don't think fast is gonna be the one.
We give up. So, I mean, is it possible? Like how long, all right, when everything's here, let's say that's a week, how long does it take to get it all back together?
3-4 days ideal, depending on how hard we want to push. But do you want to push?
I want to push, let's push.
It's gonna be tight.
But not too tight. Nope.
Yeah, we definitely don't want that.
Okay, all right, well, you know the mission, sir. And you've chosen to accept it. We can't back out now.
Evan?
How are those fingers feeling?
You know, they were rather stiff after all of the 28 now head nuts and multiple times in rapid succession, unfortunately. But, you know, I'm going to have them limbered up pretty soon. Heads are going to go back on once we get these head studs.
So I know how excited you were when the head stud broke.
You know, it was one of the highlights of my week. Highlight of the year, really.
Go, mother.
Ed just sprung something on me. He needs it done in 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Ed.
I got to get it to Monterey for Car Week. It's like booked for all these events. Everybody's excited about the car, you know.
Okay.
Can't live here forever.
2 weeks, week per head. Okay, sure. Let's do it.
I like it. Yeah, he's got it.
See, that's the right attitude. We got this.
I trust it's under control. Good luck, boys.
Thank you. Do we have enough luck, Cameron?
Enough what?
Enough luck?
Luck?
Or have we run out? No, that's not it.